it's an adverse credibility, Chinese opposition to family planning,
Hmm.
forced abortion type asylum case out of the first. And the immigration judge and then the BIA found the female, the lead respondent, not credible. And it was for a few reasons. But the main reason was that she then tried to, and I believe succeeded, in having another baby child in America, but never told her doctor in America that she had had this alleged forced abortion in China. And the immigration judge really came down hard, it seems, on her, believing it was just it's unbelievable that someone trying to get pregnant would not tell your doctor about your prior abortions. That was a key component of this adverse cred. And it was affirmed, this whole rationale, by the First Circuit. They said, no, that's not, I don't, the First Circuit didn't like it, but they didn't overturn it.
Hmm.
My mom, who's been listening to the podcast since day one, is a retired labor delivery nurse. And she immediately texted me. I just think it's interesting for people to know that in her career, she had at least, and said it happened all the time. And that people would come in and hadn't told their doctors, hadn't told their nurses about their prior abortions. And there was a million reasons for it, often embarrassment, often trauma. Sometimes they didn't want their current partner to know
Yeah.
about their past. I mean, there are a lot of reasons, and it
Yeah.
can get dangerous. Someone almost died with my mom, um, being one of many nurses on that case because apparently when you've had an abortion in the past, that makes your next pregnancy riskier. And yet
Mm.
still, women routinely don't do this. So I don't
Yeah.
often talk outside the four corners of a decision, but in light of this factual information from my expert mother, I thought it would be interesting to bring up in
Yeah.
M.S.C v. Garland that maybe that rationale